have arrived at the archaeological site of Archaeological Museum of Thebes, but I've been twice, so I'm gonna just wander around Thebes to see any bits that I have missed in my previous visits. Hey, good morning. Oops. It's April the 21st. And today I'm visiting Thebes. Then we'll go to the UNESCO Byzantine monastery of Osurlukas, and then I'm gonna hike a small gorge. So, good morning from Thebes. It's a really nice part of Thebes, or Thebes in English. It's a nice park. Some wildlife here. Good morning. Hello. Probably hunting some poor small creature. And while you are walking, you bump into the old walls of Thebes, probably part of the Great Walls of Cadmea. And I like the fact that it is built around this hill, which is forested with pine trees, and there's an abundance of greenery. Probably there is a lot of water underneath, and an abundance of cars, of course. Here you can see some more part of the old walls, the ancient walls. I love it when they are so fresh and new. Haha, and the fig tree, but it's very early for figs. This is the main square of Thebes. It has its plane trees, it has a church, flowers, a Greek flag. The church is open today, Sunday. Of course it has some stray dogs here. If there are stray dogs, that means that there are no stray cats. I'm still in Thebes, but I have to start going towards the museum because I'm visiting the town with a group of friends. We're going to visit the Byzantine monastery of Osios Lukas, and then we're going hiking. So I'm still in the main square of Thebes. There's some very small alleys, very small. Not necessarily picturesque, but they're interesting from archaeological, from architectural side. And you see, they leave the newspapers there. Nobody will take them, of course. We call this Kouchoupia. And this is a tiny bougainvillea. Those houses look very old. I cannot tell how old they are, but at least 100 years old. This must be a restaurant. Says Pouros. I think so. At least I think it says Pouros. It is a park also. A lady here. She seems quite lonely. It doesn't say who she is. Playground. They're building some. There's another lady here. Oh, ancient one. I don't think this is an ancient statue. I'm just saying that it looks like the lady's ancient. Maybe this is the restaurant to be constructed in the future. Because right now it's it needs some I think renovations here. But that's a good one. We have a great view of Thebes, and you see all the plain, the open plain there. Used to be a lake. I don't know where these steps lead. Maybe it's interesting to follow. Let's see. It's very clean, and I hope it will not collapse while I'm stepping. You need some really good cleaning here. So this is kind of a dead end, but if I continue, I will end up over there. Okay, this is what I will do. So I made it safely. I think I really need to go towards the museum because at around 10 o'clock we'll have to leave. Oh, that's a lovely rose tree. Someone is basking here. Καλημέρα. Τι κάνεις? Πάρες. Ω, παπά. Okay, sorry. Some more ruins of the city of Cadmea in Thebes. And here are supposed to be the palace, the ancient palace. There's not much left, unfortunately, because Thebes was conquered again and again and again. I'll show you what we do in Greece. We always, especially in the neighborhoods, there's a boards, or we put them on power pillars. This is memorials or funerals of the name of the deceased. We usually add their age, and often is right outside a church like this one. More ruins here. Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα.